We are red.
Okay, that's not ideal.
We are taking building 4 currently. They are leading by not much. Where are we going?
We're going with those guys.
You know where that demo team is?
Hey, which window? Top. Top window, watch. I think I saw movement.
Fuck that fence up.
Mm-hmm. I don't think that fence called its hit either.
It didn't.
Oh, wait.
Hey, we have front. You there? Oh shit, guys! Guys, that's one of the demolition.
Oh, shit.
Oh shit, good eye.
We had a bunch of guys push back towards building.
Someone radio command?
I don't got their con.
Me either.
Enemy movement. Go ahead. On gate here.
Hey, you. Hey, sit on the stairs right here, this ridge right here. Yep. Alright, do we have anybody in hill?
E4.
That drone's watching us.
Uh-huh.
Hey, we're good. Don't push, because if they come, then we'll fuck them up.
Okay. I try not to show where we are.
Yep.
That's why I'm right here, so I can sprint up if needed.
That's enemy. Hit. Hey, we're good. Don't push, because if they come, then we'll fuck them up. Hey, are you down too?
I am.
Are you down?
I'm good. I'm good.
Can you get him?
Yep. I'm gonna drag you. Webby, I'm gonna drag you.
Where's the medic?
I'm up, Gary. Never mind, hit. That was quick. They going downstairs? I'm hit. Yeah, he got me. Yeah.
He didn't get me. I've never been so still.
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, someone get me up. That'd be cool.
I got my tourniquet, yeah.
Oh yeah, buddy, somebody.
All right.
Yeah, we're going. Yo, are you up?
Yeah, I got no tourniquet.
Or at least chuck it at me.
You guys have tourniquets before, right?
That went way off.
No, there's enemies in the courtyard.
Yeah, we're gonna move in, get the demo team, and escort them out. It's stupid just sitting out here. Right. Enemies on foot?
Which way?
Hey, technicals, turn it around. Technicals, turn it around.
We gotta move soon.
Aim through the window in the front.
Where's the courtyard?
Hey, if you got an LMG, light up the little window in front of the gun. Aim
Go,
for the
go,
gun.
go, go, go!
Go! Go, 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 fucking go!
Everyone get through.
Go, 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 go. Go, go. That's man. We're trying to get demo in, but they don't know where we're at. It's right outside the door, straight to the
Where you at, Webby?
SP2! Yep. Let's go! Alright,
SP2.
Hey, good luck.
Yep, me too.
Someone's yelling fan.
Yeah, they're calling for more guys.
This is a bad spot to be hanging out if there's more pushing up. We need to move.
They won't be able to hit us unless they're close. Are we like?
This road is past this one's the next one. I look similar to this and stuff.
Okay. Are there greens still in this M4?
Probably. These guys are all dead on the left. Would it be a better idea to try and get you guys ready? Alright.
We're being
Ready to
watched.
move? We're gonna cut in through this way.
Where are they shooting from?
Top window. Hey, guys, right above you. I got that motherfucker. Oh, hit. Oh, that was in my forehead.
Yo, guys! Directly above you, second story. I'm taking fire.
Hit!
Keep that window open. That window was way opener.
Yeah.
Hit that fucking grenade, it hit that road straight towards me.
Did he really just close that window?
Yeah, he closed it halfway.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Hold on.
No.
I was gonna drag him.
I know I'm not supposed to, but you did get it.
Huh?
I know I'm not supposed to, but you did get it.
Okay.
Hold this. Webby, hold this. I'm gonna drag him. Hold this. I got it. You're the medic. I got it. Hey. Hey, I'm gonna drag you.
That's the goal.
Thank you.
Thing.
Okay, there is two in there. One is down the stairs holding an angle, looking out straight.
We got
The other one's on the left.
We have a friendly in that building, that door right there.
This one?
Yeah, he just peeked at me.
That can't open.
He opened the door and waved at me.
It fucking opens now?
Yeah, he
That's
waved at
good to
me.
know.
We need to pull back and push from a different angle.
I agree. We could always enter in this on the door on the right. What do you think? We have a door directly behind us to the right.
I seen.
This
Push up
is
the
kill
building?
zone. Right here.
Yeah.
See something?
Yep. Doorway. Cover.
Hey, keep eye out.
Hey, keep eyes on here. We don't know if this is clear or not. Webby.
What?
Keep an eye on that.
Scanner, so let's activate that.
Where is it?
Watch it, watch it. They're still shooting. Here, I'm gonna go first. So I
Go
gotta
ahead.
quit.
Go ahead.
Well, you're right in front of me. Ready?
Yep.
Going below your rifle. Right?
Yep. I got friendlies in that doorway. I think that's friendly.
What?
I think that's friendly in that doorway up there.
Well, they're shooting at us. Shoot back.
All right, I'm gonna come where you guys are. Hold fire.
Hold fire.
Yeah, move.
If they shoot at us,
Before anything, go and scan that on the wall.
Yep.
Oh, God damn it!
I don't see him. Oh, I see him. He's in the window.
yeah, it's right.
My output's way off.
Yeah, that's friendly. Fuck them, dude. If they're going to shoot at us, I ain't shooting back.
That's better.
Okay, Chris, you good?
Yeah.
All right, Chris, lead. I'll stay in the middle because I'm the medic still.
What the fuck?
Why does that keep happening?
I need a new mag release. This thing's a piece of shit. Clear back here. Dead end.
Where are we going?
This way, left. Go ahead.
This door?
No, they're on this level. If we go straight through here and left, that's where they're at.
I'll hold an angle here, push
Go
up.
upstairs and try me up with the team, though, if we would rather.
What?
You can go upstairs and try me up with the team if we'd rather that, though. Oh shit, never mind. We have to go through before we go up. Because that's where the stairway is.
I got something out here.
I hate to say it. Hey! I'm moving to safety. Dead walking. Dead walking.
Hit.
Good shot! Damn, that thing hurt.
So did yours. Hey, they didn't know. They probably just saw you through the window.
Jimmy, baby. I'm a dick. I'm a yeah, bang boys. Getting touched. Somebody kiss somebody. Oh God. We got a sniper. Let's go. Welcome to the Airsoft.
This dude's got a rocket launcher.
Maybe. Probably.
We got a lot of shit in here.
Disrespect your surroundings!
Yeah, somebody else hold this. I will take it. Here, I'll use it.
Let me know where we're going, but we're gonna fuck something up.
I think he said building 6.
Hey, look at the door.
Where was that at?
The one we just died at. Or one.
Oh yeah, we're gonna.
I don't want to hold it.
Hot
potato!
It takes all his mic just for me.
I'm gonna throw this bitch out. Please let this be the whole field trip.
Dude, this is prime.
It's an impact. It's supposed to cross 4.5 seconds after.
That could go very bad very quickly.
You're already scary. I know it is.
I'm gonna lose a finger.
Matt handed it to me and I said, no thanks.
I'm throwing it up back.
Don't drop it.
There it goes.
I'm so fucking scared right now.
No. It's a dud.
That's a beat.
Their tech is. Oh, that's ours.
Get out!
I have an awkward amount of ass
Hey,
for me.
Webby, your grenade. Webby, your grenade. That would have sucked if the pin was full.
Get out and move! Get out and move!
Get out and move! Let's go! Let's go!
Why is the sniper at point? We have friendlies upstairs.
Friendly's up. Back corner.
I don't know what angle to hold.
Watch the rear.
Yo, I need people to help me watch the windows.
Hey, Webby, you want to hold an angle on that door? Or not?
Most of that is friendly up there. Follow me, we're gonna go in through the side, alright? We're going through the side. I have friendlies on that floor, we're gonna push them out that way.
Webby, on me.
Tango's right here.
Let's go. As many guys as you can. Yep. Yo, SP2 out. Start going in, guys. Funnel in.
Oh, shit.
All in there. Where? How far?
They got shot as they were running away.
They got held in front of their They're pushing up, let's go.
Watch straight down, I saw one on the wall. Straight down.
Oh my God! That was
You get shot at?
down the hole, right side.
There's a guy waving.
Did you call 10? 10! Friendly down the hall, that's friendly! Friendly! Push up! We're clear!
I know, I just cleared it for you.
Okay. Good fight, guys.
I know it's fucking clear, I just cleared it for you. Let's go.
I don't know this shit.
Left side, left side.
Could not tell there was a door there.
This is like your canteen or whatever.
Stagger columns, stay on the side.
10!
You need medical assistance.
Hey, anybody with there? Let's go.
Oh, hit. That hurt.
Oh, shit.
Webby!
Go.
I'm gonna move out of the way, hold on.
Is it down or that way?
Move
I shot you, I'm
slightly
sorry.
to your
Oh,
front.
we got hit from that way. So I immediately pivoted to shoot you.
I was like, wait a minute. Are you all okay? Yeah.
I seen targets shooting from down there.
Are you up?
Is there not? Oh.
I don't know if that made
I mean,
it
I was
down
rolling
the
with
stairs.
these
It did.
It did?
It made it down to the bottom portion where he was, but he moved back already, I think.
Oh, it did.
We have guys down there?
We had enemies down there just a minute ago.
Yeah.
That's where I got
I
shot
was
from.
rolling in with these guys.
Technical movement.
Yep.
Towards us? Yep.
Yep.
I see him. Thing's damn near impossible to hit. There's that vehicle. He's coming back.
Yep, he can shoot through this, be careful.
That's why he's facing his invincible shield toward us.
Get down.
Silliness.
Yep.
I'm looking for him, like, pushing them.
Right.
They'll have fucking
Yeah.
people on us. We gotta cross a lot
Right
of
here.
ground.
Yo, you know what?
Ooh, I can't see. Oh, I see him, yep.
I don't think that's tan.
No.
Hey,
Hey, we got 2 infantry up this way, towards their
Enemy?
spawn.
10 o'clock.
Yeah, where the technical's coming out of.
We can probably engage him from here.
I can't get a shot on them.
You have an angle?
I'm hitting the metal.
I don't see it.
Yeah, they pushed right to
Where the
left.
tank?
I still don't see. But my eyes.
You might have to look from this angle. Oh, he's moving.
Oh, yep, I got eyes now. You want to engage?
God, you guys were good looking. Oh my god.
No, you.
Hey, whip it out. Let me
Here, you want to engage him?
Much for mine. But I didn't-
Well, the wind's a little nasty.
Yeah, you see the two that moving up
Yep.
on that path. Ready?
We go. Huh. Man, we could make a push down there. We could fuck those guys up from the ass.
Yeah, I'm getting bored sitting here.
Need more than 2 people though.
Yes.
Right there, doorway. Is that black?
Looks like it, yeah. Dead guy's coming up.
Yep. Already home.
Yo.
That's black.
Alright, so that's enemies right there.
Yeah.
That's front.
Close left. I hear one. I know there's one close left too.
Go in front of me, check that corner. If they're not there, we're gonna jump up and shoot.
Did I just get hit? Yep. Dead. God damn it.
I hate that thing.
Can we fit 7 in there?
I'm already in here.
Yeah.
Let's make some friends today.
Come on, back it up, back it up.
And back that shit. Stand it up. Whoa.
Packing this shit in like sardines.
Well, I don't have to worry about staying standing. You guys got me.
Feels like basic all over again.
Yeah, I can't grab that high.
That's not fair.
I'm vertically challenged.
On the ceiling thing is really
Ethan,
hot.
come
Don't
on.
forget mentally. Don't forget mentally.
Let's go.
True. You shouldn't make fun of me.
Who said I was making fun of you?
You just did.
Just acknowledging it.
I was just acknowledging it. I'm raising
You're
awareness.
canceled.
Raising awareness.
You're canceled. I'm calling CNN.
Fake news.
I'm gonna laugh at the people holding the door closed.
Slam it.
No. That thing wants to close.
There's so much testosterone in this truck right now.
Don't make me beat the shit out of you.
Hey, yo.
Where's the estrogen?
I have a physical abuse kink. My dad used to beat me.
He's not even lying either.
Yeah.
Damn it, again?
Somebody was a nut.
I did. I busted one.
Sorry, that belongs back here.
Hello.
Hey, I hate you guys. I love every single one of you.
Somebody come give me a kiss. Yeah, we would not have liked that one, though.
That's right.
Fuck that bush.
And well, there goes the deposit.
Wait, this is my body? I thought...
SP2.
Brandon! Brandon!
SP2, where?
Brandon, over here!
SP2 on me. Let's go.
Allahu Akbar!
John.
Oh, that's Thornbush. That felt great.
There's guys everywhere. That guy's fucking running right in the open.
He survived.
He did. That's actually a good thing.
Austin.
Thornbush.
Get down! All right, push, echo.
Oh, this is a really bad spot.
I don't think so.
two.
Yep.
We're gonna get up on that side of Echo and start pushing in.
Gotcha. I'll keep the fire on that doorway. You guys all just gotta book it.
Yeah, don't.
All right, ready? I'm gonna start. Ready? Go!
Come on, Alex. Go. Two at a time. Okay, or not. Up to the trees. Paul asked. Go. File up to the trees. Fast as fuck.
Pushing to the backside of E.
Go to the right. Everyone go. Get to the trees. Go to the right. Alright. Push very fast.
Spin around into the stairwell.
Go.
Good.
Huh? You're hit?
Hit.
We gotta push up. We're in the open. We gotta move.
Ah, shit. In the building with these guys. I'll relay any. Watch that door. Still a guy down there. Oh, but I don't know where he wandered off from there. Remove it. I'm right behind you.
Yep.
Is that a deadlight? No,
Where is he? Down left.
There's one on the fucking second story. Where? Right across, right?
Hey, there's a laser on this wall behind you. He's peeking. He's holding an angle on that. Do not peek. Reloading. He's still in that room straight across, right inside of the door.
Fine. Entrance, lots of main entrance. That one?
Oh,
Good shit. Good shit.
good push.
Good stuff, man. Unfortunate.
I know that bullshit. Let's get shot by my own team.
Coming up. Green. Get on it. Green, push it up. I can't find the button. Hold on. Don't shoot me again.
You're good.
I can't find it.
Webby, come here. Cover.
All five within 10 minutes.
Nope.
No, it's just
It went back.
contact. Come on, watch the other entrance. Get lights on it.
fucking hurt.
That's rough, buddy.
Yeah. Careful where your knee, yeah, where you kneel down at.
Why?
I'll show you. Was it? Oh, right here.
One guy in the shot of this.
Webby.
Killed somebody in here, but I don't know where that came from. Oh yeah, look at that.
That fucking hurt.
That's dangerous.
Oh! Ah! Hit!
How the hell am I not hit?
I'm gonna look at the front. Front. Good. Sorry.
Where at?
This way somewhere. Did I hit you? Oh, sorry. I got him. He's down.
Down?
Yeah. Thank God for the sun, dude.